Okay friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will teach you how to auto sync your video with your separate audio. Okay, nowadays I am recording my audio in computer and record my video on my mobile. So I'm using RTX voice and it has helped me to reduce background noise while recording. So I'm using Sony Vegas Pro for audio recording and record my videos on my OnePlus device. So you can see here, this is my audio and video folder. Just drag and drop like this. Now you can see this is my default audio with my in here. So this is my default voice recorder from my mobile phone, and it's mute, and it is my voice record from RTX voice. Okay, you can see the difference here, waveforms. Okay, how to align this? It's very simple. Just select those clips like video and audio, then right click, then select auto align, then go to waveform. Okay, now you can see, so my DaVinci Resolve automatically sync my audio and video. So it is very simple. You can easily uh, create two sound records for your one video, and it is very simple to align with that or sing with that. Okay, that is okay guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replays as videos so you can easily watch that. Also PC tutorials. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.